Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a logo here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the logo on your website here in Squarespace is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the profile icon and click on the account dashboard. Now here, all you have to do is select the page that you wanted to update the logo. For example, this one. I'm gonna click on it, and what will happen is it would be forwarded to the website builder. All right. Now, there are multiple reasons why changing your logo can be a good thing, because for one, businesses often evolve and a new logo can reflect the updated values, products, or services. So rebranding efforts often come with a new visual identity, including a logo that better represents the business' current directions. And of course, design trends changes over time. Now, I want you to click on the edit button here because this is going to be the only way for you to change your logo. Now, in this section on top, there's going to be an add section or the edit site header. If you click this pencil icon, you would be forwarded to the site title and logo. And I want you to click on the pencil icon wherein this is the only way for you to be able to change the logo. All you have to do is click this button right here and upload the file if you have already working on that on your computer, or select from the library. In my case, I'm going to choose something at the bottom, which is going to be our Deep Labs logo. All you have to do is click on add. All right. Once you've done that, for example, if your business is shifting focus to a different audience, you may want a logo that resonates better with your new target market, conveying the right message or vibe. You can change the logo height here. You can change the mobile logo max height. And if you wanted to have a mobile logo image, you can do it as well. Let's do that right now. Select from the library. Hover down below on the bottom. Click on add. Because if you do that, if you click on the desktop view and the mobile view, you have two logos available. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.